Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to convert fractions into decimals. So today we'll learn how to convert fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. into decimal numbers. Okay. So we know that decimals are simply another way to write a fraction or to express a fraction. So today let us connect those fractions and decimals, right? So by the end of this lecture, you will be able to easily convert any fractions with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. to decimals. Got it? So let's start. See students, in order to do that, you just remember three simple steps. Got it? In order to convert those fractions with decimals, with denominators 10, 100, thousands, etc. into decimals, you just remember three steps. Okay. So first is examine the denominators. So when you are having a fractions with denominators 10, 100, thousands, etc., just examine the denominators. Is it 10, 100, 1000? So which one is it? If they are not, can they be changed into 10, 100, 1000, etc.? Got it? So we'll take few examples and we'll show how to actually work through these steps. Got it? Now once you have examined that, now count zeros in the denominators. Okay, so if it is 10, then there will be 1 0. If it is 100, then there will be 2 0, 1000, 3 0, and so on. Now once you have counted that, now shift the decimal point from the right. So how many places? That number of places which will be equal to the number of zeros. Got it? So these are the three simple steps you need to remember, students, and let's see how you apply the steps in order to convert those decimals, those fractions with numerators or with denominators 10, 100, 1000, etc. So let us come to the first example. See, 176 by 10. Got it? So what is the first step? Examine the denominators. So we have seen this denominators to be 10. So how many zeros are there? So 1 0. Now shift the decimal point from the right. So if it is a whole number, always, if it is a decimal, obviously the decimal point will be visible to you. If it is a whole number, always imagine that, as I told you before in the lecture, it is on the extreme right hand side. Imagine it. See, it is here. Got it? So I need to shift the decimal from the right to the left. Got it? From the right to the left. How many places? That will be equal to the number of zeros. So I have imagined, please imagine student, that there is a decimal here. You need to shift the decimal from the right to the left. How many places? Equal to the number of zeros. Here is 10. So 1 0. Just shift it one place. So now the decimal will move to here. So the answer will be 17.6. Easy, very easy. Understood? Let us take the example 2. See, 5 by 1000. So examine the denominators. So denominator is 1000, 1000. So how many zeros are there? Count the number of zeros in the denominator. So there are 3 zeros. So I need to shift the decimal from the right to the left. How many places? Number of zeros, 3 places. So imagine student at the extreme right, because it is a whole number 5 in the numerator. So let us examine the point to be here, decimal point. Now shift this in 3 places to the right. So to the left. From the right to the left. So 1 place gone, 2 place, and 3 places. Now see, here is nothing, so fill it with 0. Here it nothing, so fill it with 0. Right? So answer will be 0.005. So from here, 1 place, 2nd place, and 3rd place. So the point moves here. So in this place and in this place there was nothing, so we filled it up with 0. Always remember, fill it up with 0. So the answer will be 0.005. Okay. Now let's take example 3. So this is 24 by 50. Got it? Now the denominators, examine the denominators. It is not 10, 100 or 1000. If they are not, can they be changed into 10, 100, 1000? Can they be converted? So 50 can be converted into what? 100. If I multiply 2 in the denominator as well as 2, obviously if I multiply 2 in the denominator, I need to change the numerator by multiplying 2. So let's do that. 24 multiplied by 2 divided by 50 multiplied by 2. This becomes 48 in the numerator and the denominator becomes 100. See, I have changed it. Now examine it. It is 100. So there are 2 zeros. So imagine here is the decimal point. I need to move to the left. How many zeros? How many places? The number of zeros? 2 places. So 2 zeros. See, so it moves here. So the answer will be 0.48. So always write a 0 before the decimal. So 0.48. 0 indicates that there is no whole number. Okay. So 0.48. Got it? So let's do this. Example 4. Pause the video and try it yourself. See, in the numerator is 39. In the denominator is 125. Examine it. It is not 10, 100 or 1000. So I just cannot shift the decimal from the right to the left. I need to convert 125 if it can be changed into 10, 100 or 1000. So yes, it can be changed into 1000. So let us convert that into 1000. So 125 into 839 has to be multiplied with 8 because we are multiplying denominator with 8. So 39 into 8 is 312 divided by 125 into 8 is 1000. So again examine the denominator. It is 1000. So 3 zeros. Imagine the decimal point to be here. So shift or move the decimal from the right to the left 3 places. 1 place, 2nd place and the 3rd place. So the decimal point lies before 3. So we write 0.312. Right, student? I hope you have followed my lecture. These are very simple steps. Follow the steps in order to convert the fractions into decimal. Yes, where the denominators are 10, 100, 1000 or they can be converted into 10, 100, thousands. If they cannot be converted, what can be done? We shall see that in the coming lectures. Okay. So in the next class, we'll study or we'll learn conversion of fraction into decimal by long division method. Okay. So thanks for watching. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.